Hey traders, yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot and it is analysis for the coming week from 13th of Jan to 18th of Jan. So it is just analysis on gold based on trend lines, the candlestick and candlestick patterns, and also the Elliott wave or the wave count. So this analysis is top down from the monthly time frame, then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, and in 4-hour time frame is where I provide those possible entry levels. But make sure that you do your own analysis and also watch analysis from other traders so that you'll have confidence on the probable direction. So the previous week analysis was a very straight analysis. Everything happened according to the projection, so make sure that you watch the previous analysis, because this analysis is continuation of what was projected in the previous week analysis. So I'm on a monthly time frame, then quickly I can highlight key things in monthly time frame. So as it was in the previous week analysis, we're looking for a possible gain in a bullish momentum of the monthly candlestick, and exactly that is what we see. Actually this monthly candlestick has gained a bullish momentum, but this doesn't mean that it's going to close with this bullish momentum, because we still have 20 days for the monthly candle to close, so anything can happen. But in most cases, currently we are looking for a possible gain in a bullish momentum in the near future. So then quickly in a weekly time frame, let us see what are the key things in weekly time frame. So as it is in monthly time frame, we see bullish momentum has also increased, and weekly time frame at least gave us a clue for a possible gain in a bullish momentum by looking on the previous two candlesticks. So now this candlestick here was just the indecision one. The next one at least gained the bullish momentum. So in my previous week analysis, I suggested a possible continuation of gain in a bullish momentum because of relationship between these previous two candlesticks, and that is exactly what happened this week. So that is a weekly the weekly time frame, and the candlestick relationship has guided us very well. Then quickly in daily time frame, let us see what are the highlight in daily time frame. Now the first thing in daily time frame, now we can see a 4 days gain, a 4 days consecutive bullish momentum building. So actually we have seen now only on Monday is where we had some bearish momentum, but price failed to maintain that bearish momentum, so it closed with a rejection from the downside. So the whole week was the gain to the upside. So if you go to our website www.asamforex.com, now you will see everything was projected based on what has happened in this week. And also you can see now this week price has moved up to a certain level. Here we have a trend line. So this was the first touch, this was the second touch, now this is the third touch on a same trend line. So in most cases we may expect price can reject at this level. So it is not guaranteed, but in most cases there is a possibility of rejection, either in just a slight correction to the downside, or price may reject all the way to the downside. But in most cases we are expecting for wave sit at this level, so possibly may reject, then later break and continue to the upside, or may continue straight to the upside. But 4-hour time frame may tell us now exactly what are we looking for the coming week. Now let me go to 4-hour time frame, and actually the overall picture remains the same. So it is more than a month I've been talking about this picture. For those who follow weekend analysis, at least they may have clear understanding of what we have been expecting, and price is exactly moving the same way. So now previous week analysis was all about moving above this level. We had these two levels here. So in 2 weeks we were looking for a possible break and continuation to this, to the upper level. Now the resistance, now break and continuation. So that is exactly has happened, and the price now is flying all the way to the upside, but it has encountered another level here. So this is key level also, because we see price reacted several times in the past. So we expect even here price may react in a certain way, either breaking and strongly continuing to the upside, or maybe rejecting to the downside. But in most cases, if we relate with the wave counts, now we can see now price has completed the 5 wave move to the upside. So here was 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside, so in a form of a diagonal. So now if this diagonal is complete, so based on Elliott wave, we are looking for a possible correction to the downside, or it may be now an impassive move, but in most cases we can now consider this as a corrective move to the downside. So actually, if we are looking closely, the reactions at this level, we see there was a rejection, the next one tried to push above, rejected again, then this one also have a sort of rejection. So 3 rejections at the same level. So in most cases, this level may hold it true, pushing price to the downside in the coming week. So actually, that is very, very possible. So how are you going to trade next week? So actually, you'll be looking for possible sell opportunities. Now, right on opening of the market, you can just look for sell opportunities, but in most cases, you may consider when you see a candle closing below 2687, at least a candle, a bearish candle closing below 2687. So it's when now we may expect even next candlesticks are going to be bearish. So we'll be selling all the way up to the level of 2635. So it is now around this region here, around this level here. So we'll be selling all the way up to this level, and actually this sell may continue now after this level, or it may bounce to the upside. So the next projection will be provided, because we must first understand the formation of the move here. If it will be just in a form of 3 wave correction to the downside, so we may expect a bounce at this level, but the previous analysis will provide with a possible future move after price has reached this point here. And the better confirmation for the sell opportunity is the break of this level down here. So we'll be looking for a break and the retest of this level, then a beautiful sell up to this target is expected. But you may start with short-term sells with short-term targets, targeting at this trend line level here. So that is the previous week analysis. Powerful. Have a great weekend.